All right guys, so I have this Camry here. There's an issue with these wipers. You can see that they have become sort of out of sync. This arm is down too much and it's actually running into the hood. So we need to fix that before that wears through the paint. Also, it's probably annoying when the wipers are going. I bet you that's like hitting and making noise. So luckily Toyotas are very easy to sync. And I'll just show you quickly what you got to do. You're going to need probably a little flathead screwdriver or something to pop off the cover cap that hides the bolts or the nuts that secure these, and a 14mm socket, preferably shallow with a ratchet. We got to lift the hood, and then what I'm going to do is turn the key on, cycle the wipers so that they sit in their final resting place without running into the hood, and then we'll loosen them up and set them where they need to be. Okay, so you can see I just, all I did was up on the stock, and that just does one sweep, and then they park. And you can see this wiper looks fairly decent, that looks normal. This side though, I want to adjust up a little bit. And so a lot of them have like a plastic cap that covers a nut, but this one does not. So I was actually mistaken on that, but they are still 14mm nuts. Pretty much every one of them are. So I just undo this, and then this is the beauty part about Toyotas, is you can just push down on here and they come right off just like that. If you drive a Dodge product, no, you're gonna need a puller. It's gonna be just a stupid time. So be happy that you drive Toyota. Now all I'm gonna do is just move this up. You can see that there's just a tapered portion on the actual wiper arm, and then this shaft has splines. So as you tighten this down, those splines bite into that tapered hole, and that's what locks it into place.
It's not indexed.
It's not indexed. You can move it wherever you want to move it, but obviously we want it to be not too far down, but also not too far up either. So some windshields will have dots on them, but I like to just put the wiper about there, just before where this black runs along. And I'm gonna tighten it down. It doesn't have to be super tight. I don't know the torque spec off by hand, but just snug. And yeah, if you tighten down too much, you'll probably either split that arm, or you'll break that wiper stud. So there you go. You can see that was a good sweep. We have no interference between the wipers. It's now sitting fairly parallel to that. So I'm very happy with that. I'm gonna go ahead and change these wiper blades, and this wiper system will be good to go.